Taking a good set of measurements. Hopefully you've already had a suit by me and I've got your measurements on file. Secondly, if you've not, we have developed a simple measurement system, the one we use with all our years of experience, and we put it onto a form, an intelligent form. It'll help you as near as damn it get a good set of measurements. Now, one key to getting a great set of measurements is having a sample garment, a donor garment that you can copy. If you've got jacket, trousers, waistcoats that fit, they don't even have to be off the same suit. If you have a favourite pair of trousers and a favourite jacket, this is going to give us our measurement templates. So, firstly, get a good template, and then secondly, go through the measure system that we've got. If you have any problems, just WhatsApp me or book a Zoom meeting and I can walk you through the process. See you in the next video. Bye for now.